Hi there. Want to eat delicious food without worrying about gaining weight? It can be challenging to lose weight when you're constantly hungry and watching what you eat. But don't worry, there are foods that are almost calorie-free and you can eat as much as you want without gaining a pound. And the best part? They can help you reach your weight loss goals. Here's a list of the top 10 almost zero-calorie foods. Let's take a closer look. Shirataki noodles. You can now enjoy pasta without feeling guilty. Shirataki noodles are a fantastic food that contain almost no calories, only 11 calories per 100 grams and 0 net carbs. They're filling because they contain glucosamine, a substance that acts like dietary fiber and isn't broken down by the body. This makes shirataki noodles low in both calories and carbohydrates. You can find these noodles in most Asian grocery stores. Slim rice is a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while still enjoying their favorite rice dishes. It's made from a unique blend of ingredients, including bran and germ, which are removed from regular white rice. This gives slim rice. It's gluten-free, low-fat, and low-calorie, only 9 calories per 100 grams, making it an ideal option for anyone looking to control their calorie intake. In addition to its health benefits, slim rice is also incredibly versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Whether you prefer to boil, steam, or microwave it, slim rice is a quick and easy way to get a satisfying meal that will keep you feeling full for hours. So, if you're looking for a nutritious alternative to white rice, give slim rice a try and enjoy all the health benefits it has to offer. Watermelon. Who doesn't love watermelon during summer? This juicy and refreshing fruit is almost calorie-free with only 30 calories per 100 grams. It's also high in lycopene, a phytochemical that's beneficial for your health. And because watermelon has a high water content, you'll feel full after eating it without adding many calories to your diet. Celery is often talked about for its health benefits, especially when consumed as juice. But eating it whole has even greater benefits. With only 16 calories and 1.5 carbs per 100 grams, celery is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. You can eat it in salads, as a snack with hummus, or even with a little peanut butter. Cucumbers are a versatile and refreshing food that can be added to any meal. They're low in calories, only 15 calories per 100 grams of raw cucumber and high in fiber, vitamin K, B6, magnesium, and potassium. Their high water content makes them low in calories and promotes fullness, so you'll eat less at your next meal. Greens powder. Not a fan of vegetables? Try adding a greens powder supplement to your diet. Made from dried and ground green vegetables like kale and spirulina and sometimes fruit, greens powder is a superfood that can be added to juices, smoothies, or even water. Broccoli is a green cruciferous vegetable that is known for its numerous health benefits. It is high in fiber, vitamins especially vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants. Broccoli is also a good source of plant-based protein and contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and cholesterol-lowering properties. It is typically eaten cooked, either steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, and can be added to pasta dishes, soups, or salads. Tomatoes. These juicy and tasty fruits are a great addition to any salad or sandwich and have only 18 calories per 100 grams. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and folate, making them a great choice for a healthy and low-calorie snack. They also contain antioxidants like lycopene, which can help protect your skin from damage and promote a healthy immune system. Zucchinis, also known as courgettes, are a summer squash that are widely used in cooking. With only 17 calories per 100 grams, they are considered a low-calorie food, making them a great option for those who are trying to lose weight. Zucchinis are also high in fiber, which helps you feel full and reduces the total number of calories you consume. Additionally, they are a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Zucchinis are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, including roasted zucchini, grilled zucchini, zucchini stir-fry, and zucchini noodles. Whether you're looking to eat healthier or just enjoy delicious food, zucchinis are a great option to consider. Lettuce is also a good source of fiber, vitamin K, and folate, making it a healthy and nutritious choice for anyone trying to lose weight. So next time you're making a salad or sandwich, try adding some lettuce to add some crunch and nutrition to your meal. Radishes are a type of root vegetable that come in many different varieties, including round, oblong, and cylindrical shapes. They have a crisp texture and a slightly spicy flavor that makes them a popular addition to salads, sandwiches, and tacos. In addition to being low in calories, radishes are also a good source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to protect against a variety of health conditions. They are also relatively easy to grow and are often used in home vegetable gardens. Whether you're looking to add some crunch to your meals or simply want to boost your overall health, adding radishes to your diet is a simple and tasty way to do so. So, if you want to achieve your weight loss goals, you don't have to limit yourself to foods that make you feel frustrated and unsatisfied. There are plenty of almost zero-calorie foods that can help you reach your weight loss goals while still satisfying your taste buds. So go ahead and stock up on these healthy and delicious options, and enjoy the benefits of eating nutritious foods without the guilt. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. And, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.